Traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 23rd of March 2021. Please note that this particular video will give you an information as to what the key levels are tomorrow and where you can go ahead and place your trade. And also in today's date, we have actually made a profit of somewhere around 11,627. This was 5% of our capital that was deployed, and this was a pretty decent trade. Now our first trade actually went against us, but we were still able to go ahead to recuperate our direction to the right one, and we're being able to be successful in doing so. If you want a mentor who can hold your hand and help you in such tough times where the market can go volatile anywhere, but he would actually hold your hand to get this through, then please join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us tomorrow. We also have another offer that is going on, that if people are following us consistently until the 4th of June, our live traders, if they are consistent with their ROI and don't take monkey trades, then we are rewarding the first person with a car, the second person with an iPhone, and the third person with a beautiful laptop. So those are the things that we keep doing. We have already created a leadership board, and we are actually tracking that. So if you want to be a part of it, then join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us, and we'll take you from there. Now, quickly, let's go ahead and understand where the market is going to behave. Now, if I could see, there is a very powerful support here right at the bottom. Now, before we get there, on a daily time frame, this is a tweezer bottom. All right, so there is highly likely a possibility that it can actually go ahead, and if it cuts down here, we are going to see a very big flow of targets, and that is what I'm ready for tomorrow. So if the low is taken out today, we are going to go ahead, fill the gap, which would be the body of the candle when the budget was introduced, and we will look at 33,084 tomorrow if we go and cross the low today. Of the low of today. So 33,410, if it is cut down with a 5-minute candle, then let's go ahead and initiate a trade at the bottom. Now, if it sustains there for 5 minutes, makes the range and breaks down, then we are going to get another 145 point target over here. So tomorrow on the PE side, I'm looking at a very decent amount of points here, and that would be somewhere around 586 points if it goes into our direction. Now remember, there is a particular trend line that is coming over here right from the top. Until we cross this trend line, I won't be interested to go ahead and take any C position. So this trend line is going to be right here, and until and unless we are going to come here. Now, if you want a short trade and if you want to take a counter trade tomorrow, you can also do that when Banknifty reaches this particular level tomorrow. So as soon as you see Banknifty testing over here 33,800 and making a bearish candle, you can furthermore look for a target on the bottom side. And that would be another 300 point quick target that you might get it here. But if it is not, then until and unless it makes a 15-minute candle above this trend line, then we are not going to be going for any C position. Okay, there are no global conditions which are supporting a bull rally as of now, so we need to be very careful. But if we cut the trend line and make a 15-minute candle above this, so above 34,050, we can quickly look for a 370 point target or somewhere around 411 for ourselves tomorrow. So these are the key levels for tomorrow. Please trade very, very carefully. A lot of banks have been plundered with a lot of short positions. There are buildups over here which are happening which cannot be controlled. If you are a person who is scalping with 30-40 point stop losses, you would have seen a lot of big candles today. Just look at these candles, guys. So if a candle of 190 point is going against you and it is also giving a follow-up of 190 point, what you need to do is you need to go ahead, reduce your position size and start trading with less. That is the only thing that you can do, or else if you're a daredevil, then let's go ahead and see if these levels that I have reported to you will help you. With this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Do join us on a free Telegram channel that is being listed below. We'll see you on the other side on another video. Jai Hind, take care, goodbye.